Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So this is a very important video for all the students of class 12th who are eagerly waiting for the final announcement related to CU CET 2021. So actually a lot of guesswork is going on. When will the dates be announced? Even this is not sure whether this test will be conducted or not. So in this video we are going to analyze the whole situation. We are going to discuss about the detailed information related to the final dates of this CUCET and what are the actual reasons of delay. Why are the authorities not announcing the dates yet? So what are the real reasons behind that? Everything we will discuss in this video. So watch it complete. And if you are watching Kingdom of Learning for the first time, consider subscribing to it because now we will be bringing regular videos to assist you in your admission journey to Delhi University or any other university. So let's start now. So as I have told you that a lot of guesswork is going on. People are assuming, especially 12th class students, like those whose result has not been announced, their exams were cancelled, and since then there is lot going on. So much is going on. Like they are confused how will be their results and what will be the admission criteria in universities and colleges. Means it is quite obvious that after your 12th standard you all have to get admission in different colleges. So that's why there are some speculations going on that there will be CUCET 2021. Like this is a part of national education policy. Earlier it was believed that this year there will not be this CUCET will not be conducted. Then later on it was declared by the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University that they are considering this option because they have now CBSE has decided to get the results of 12th class students from the school, so they will have to test the merit of the students, and he said that that can be done only when they conduct their own entrance exam. So incidentally they decided that CUCET will be conducted. So now almost 90% it is believed that this test will be conducted. But as far as what are the final dates and when will it be finally declared, this whether this test will be conducted this year or not, everybody is waiting. So if we talk about that, still no final decision has been taken out, and CBSE Secretary Anurag Tripathi has told universities, Delhi University and other central universities, they are waiting for the assessment criteria to be announced by the CBSE. Like they are saying that they will make a declaration related to this CUCET after CBSE will declare their final assessment criteria for class 12th. So related to that, CBSE Secretary Anurag Tripathi has said to Dainik Bhaskar that they are also holding so many meetings and everything, and when everything will be decided, and now they have decided that schools will have to send them some data related to the results of class 12, and he has said that this is a long process, so they all are waiting for that, and once that will be finalized, then only final decision will be taken out when the results of class 12 will be declared and all. So now the thing is that what we come to know that actually central universities, they are relying on CBSE, and CBSE is saying that it's a long process, it's not a one day process and all. So ultimately who is suffering? Ultimately it is creating a lot of tension among the students of class 12th, right? Earlier they were waiting eagerly for their exams, then their exams were not conducted, and then finally they had to they were relieved to know that their exams will not be conducted, and it will be now their exams were cancelled. Now another thing that they are waiting for is that how to get admission in their colleges, plus what will be their results. Now everything will be in the hands of schools, so obviously there is one breather that there will not be very strict marking or something. Their assessments will hopefully be very good, and most of the students will get pass. But the next step, that is rather more confusing. If CUCET will be conducted, when will it be conducted, how will it be conducted, what will be the criteria, because ultimately students have to prepare for that. It's not something that you just declare today and tomorrow the exam is conducted and the students are ready. So actually, if we talk about other such exams and like JEE and NEET, they are going to be conducted as per the earlier schedule. Like NEET will be is scheduled to be held on August 1, and the registration has still not started, but it will be held. Same is the case with JEE mains, and that is also going to be held on its whatever time was decided. So same we can expect for CUCET, but like there is no clarity related to this CUCET. But one thing that has been noticed is that most probably, all the universities, they have like UGC has planned a meeting in the third week of June with all the vice chancellors or chancellors of central universities, and in that meeting they are going to take a final decision related to this CUCET. So hopefully now, third week of June is just around the corner, and hopefully within a week, most probably by next week, after Monday, there may be some final announcement related to this exam. And we also want that it should be declared as early as possible whether it will be conducted or not, so that that cloud of doubt and confusion is cleared from the minds of the students as well as their parents. So if it is there, I personally want that students should be given some time for preparation, because when their exams of 12th class were cancelled, before that, when again they were living in that time of dilemma, then they were not preparing. So now they will need some time to prepare for their exams. And what do you guys think about that? I want to know what are the opinions of students, whether the CUCET should be conducted or not, and if it is conducted, how much time must be given to the students for preparation. Because I personally believe that due to this pandemic, all the things are just disturbed, and same is the case with the mental condition of students as well. They are also not in that type of state of mind that they were sincerely working and all. So now let's see what happens, and what is the final decision of UGC related to that. But our only request is that it should be taken as early as possible. So that's it for today's video. So guys, if you have still not subscribed to Kingdom of Learning, do it fast, and please leave your comments in the comment box. What are your opinions related to this CUCET, and don't forget to like the video.